For information, also, Carmen's getting rid of his car. It's a running car. He's not... It runs really bad.
Well, Ryan is here and everybody can get that away from me.
He says
I'll
it's
sell you my car for $20.
$20 to sell me your car?
Yes.
See, where is it? Yeah, here.
Well, not that one.
Flatter and like goopier, and so it's like all up. You take one side at a time, it looks normal. No, but right side just looks fucked up. Turn the light off.
Why did I wear this color shirt today? It's up to me. It's up to me to know. Okay, then. Give me a day. Tell me if that's a
Alright, we're test driving a possible Jared mobile here. Jared still doesn't know how to shift.
I know how to shift, dude. It's getting kind of...
extra man.
How old are those?
Like fucking decade.
Here, give me one.
No shit. I want you to die.
Those fries are old!
I want one, dude.
No, hey, don't. Don't. Hey, Holmes, I don't pay for the medical.
Oh, that's gross. Alrighty.
Keep that just in case. And this is the latest.
Yeah, I was recording.
You just fucking gave him permission to fucking drive the car.
I give you permission, me, Mexican dude, to drive my piece of shit. My gringo friend gave me 2 tacos for the car.
Viewers,
Hello.
this is Velcro Fathoms again, and me and Daniel are sitting in the car I just bought for $20. And hey, it's running. I don't know if that should happen when you buy a car for $20, but it is. We're just going to take it back to my house and plop it down and... Whee! Here we go. Me and Jermaine backing out. We're going to follow Daniel and Firecrotch going to Stanford, pick up this dentist's chair. And he goes, like usual. Dude, that chair is awesome, dude. Nobody bumped this. Here, I'll hold it. No, you're helping. I'm not breaking anybody's. We need your strength, you idiot. We need your strength. Get over here.
You're a big guy, dude.
Come on. Go, Daniel.
Want me to move my car closer?
No, we can get up there.
Yes, of course.
No, come on.
Back up to it.
No, this isn't that heavy. We can get it.
The base.
All right, Jermaine, hold the base.
All right, we'll lift it up.
Hold on. Let me. Stop.
I thought I was supposed to lift the base.
You're gonna hurt one of us.
You're gonna drop it on my finger.
Was this separate from the base? Jermaine, forget it. You're gonna. What's going on here? Just tell me. Where's the base? All right, 1, 2, 3. How do we get the base up there? What?
Is it good?
Yeah. There you go. Oh my god. Hey dude, it's breaking it. It's not breaking it. It's fucking caving the trunk in. Not that bad though. Not that bad. We gotta get your ropes, dude. Hey,
Let him take.
Fucking idiot. We got it on. We got the seat on. And now someone's just sitting there while we run to the road.
Someone's sitting.
Oh, dude, I see you now.
We go around.
What? My nuts. You here?
No, don't go through anymore.
Paddy wagon.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we're moving, and we've got the dentist's chair.
Look at that. Dude, look how fast you're going and look at it bobbling already.
It's alright, dude. It's all good. Go. On the car. It's holding up hella good. It's being a good little boy. Oh, yeah, look. Stanford. And it's this guy doing the brains behind this operation here. Tell me, sir,
Look at the camera.
How do you feel about this?
Yeah, I don't want a ticket. Otherwise, I don't give a shit. Oh, my car's working.
Oh, okay, well. I probably turned it off and handed it to you.
The legacy of the dentist chair lives long past its days in the dentist's office.
And how do you like it, Daniel?
It's perfectly nice.
I just want to know, is there like a lot of pimps at your school? Because I go to MA and there's like a lot of pimps over there, and I'm a pimp, and I just want to know, so I be pimping girls. What's so funny? What's so funny? But anyway, I be pimping them. I just want to know. No, for real.
Hello,
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Chris.
What are you guys doing tonight?
Playing Chutes and Ladders.
We're designing a rocket.
You guys have no lives.
What?
Who wants to see Circle Jerk?
Circle jerk?
Hey, yeah, that guy
sounds like a
Bob
good
that
show.
called up. You know that guy Bob that said he was a pimp?
Yeah.
He was gay. That wasn't me. You guys are saying it was me, but it was Bob.
Oh, you're Bob?
No, I'm Chris.
You're Chris.
Oh, but you're a pimp.
No, hell no.
Wait, who was saying that? That was Harry.
Hey, what's that head's name? Next to Pizza. Yeah, I got that thing right there.
Oh, that's a shoe.
What's his name?
It's a shoe.
Betty.
Cat.
Cat?
Yeah.
Oh God, I'm a gnome.
Hey, I wanna see Pizza Go-Go guy make out with that thing.
You want to see me make out with it?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I was just kidding.
I don't think it's appropriate
Nah,
for television.
Yeah, please don't.
Paige? Paige?
Harry,
Yeah?
you know me? I'm from your geometry class. I sit next to you. I always bitch at you about the tapping.
Do you have a crush on him?
No, I thought your name was.
You're saying
I thought your name was Henry.
It's Harry Balls.
Wait, why do you guys? What the hell is the purpose of this show?
Is this Paige?
Yeah, the blonde girl who sits next to you in geometry.
The one I taught about mullets today.
Yeah. Am I a bimbo?
I think she heard you, Molly.
Ew.
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 So,
Well, now that we asked the question, the question's on the floor. Might as well answer it.
Am I a bimbo?
so you sit next to Henry in class?
No. I mean,
What?
yeah, I sit next to Henry, but I'm not a bimbo because I'm blonde.
Okay, but wait, what?
What's your opinion on the matter?
Wait,
No, she's not a bimbo, I guess.
wait, what do you think of Harry?
Come on, what's that? I guess. It's either yes or no.
She thinks I'm a bastard.
Or yes. Okay, well, she
Well, are you Harry?
Yeah, kinda.
In the first ever contest for the Velcro Fathoms program. Email us and you could win a date with the fantastic Jermaine. That's right, win a date with Jermaine. Here's how.
It's recording.
Hi, I'm Jermaine Hamilton, and let's see, I guess you want to hear a little bit about myself, since you're going to be going out for a fine dining with me. Let's see, I'm a college student. I'm actually majoring in music technology, music business. Going to Chico State, well, that's where I plan to go. Right now I'm in Palo Alto. I work at a restaurant called Mojo's. It's American food with Cajun and Creole influences, and our resident chef there is Donald Link. He's very excellent. He's very wide acclaimed. He has a lot of claims. What else? I'm in a band. We're called Deja Voodoo. We just got our producer. We're recording our first album. We're going to have it done probably by the end of the month, but you won't see it on the record shelves for probably another year or something, because we just got together. I love art. I love music. I love going out and having fun, partying like it was 1999.
That's right, win a date with Jermaine. Here's how. All you have to do is email us with the most creative answer to this question. If Jermaine were a candy bar, what type of candy bar would he be?